Hello everyone, welcome to Nivanta. This is Vyomha here. So today we will be joined with television actress Surbhi Channa, and you keep all your questions ready and share with us because a few questions Surbhi will be picking up and definitely will be giving a shout out. So let's try and connect with her without any further ado, and let me check whether Surbhi has joined in. So guys, until she joins, drop in your messages, drop in your comments, and share with us so that we can pull out a few and we can share it with Surbhi. Yes, she will be here soon. A lot. Okay. A lot of people are waiting for her. Yes, even I'm waiting for her. So we'll be joining with Surbhi in no time. Hi Surbhi, if you can see me there, can you just drop in a hi, or you can wave at me so that we can start connecting? Okay, so Sri Nupur 8 is asking about her next project. So is Sunlight Noor. Yes, we will be asking her about her next project. Stay tuned. It's our pleasure, Munira.fx, to bring Surbhi her next vacation after this lockdown. Yes, baby underscore flowy underscore love. We're gonna ask her that. Okay. Okay, Surbhi, hi. If you can see me, can you just drop in a hi? To sing a song. Yes, we will ask Surbhi to sing a song as well. And if she obliges, you will definitely hear. Okay, so somebody saying Surbhi is already here. Okay, I'm trying to connect with her. So hold on, guys. Has she dropped a hi or waved? Yes. Okay, I see Surbhi's hey there. So trying to connect with Surbhi, guys. She will be here in any time, and there she is. Hi, Surbhi. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Doing great. You tell me, how was the lockdown period treating you?
I like it is treating everybody.
At home, locked up. But
it's
yes, you know.
it's it's nice actually. I'll tell you why. Because I was busy with my show, and before that with another show, and I've hardly got any time to spend with my family. अब मुझे लग रहा है उनको overdose हो गया है. अब मेरे साथ रह के अब थोड़ा थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया है.
So tell me, I mean, hi, this was after long. कितने time बाद आप अपने family के साथ रह रहे हो?
So I got busy, yeah, with Ishbaz. Then I took about 5 months of break, but that was also traveling and lots of other things. And then Sanjeevani started, and then I
Yeah.
got busy for another 9-10 months, and so I've not actually got this time.
Time.
But ये मुझे एक महीना भी ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कल yesterday I was telling my मम्मी ऐसा लग रहा है 3 महीने हो गए यार साथ में. So
Time is actually passing by so fast.
Sorry?
I said time is passing by so fast.
Yeah, I know it is. And like there is so much work to finish because we
True.
don't have a help at home. All the helps are जो आती हैं जाती हैं, वो कोई
सब
रहने
हाँ.
वाली नहीं है, तो सारा काम हम पे आ गया है.
तो बताओ, ये बताओ आपकी कैसा चल रहा है home chores? You know, what all are you doing in terms of home chores? Have you divided amongst, you know, you and your family? How is it going?
So I am staying with my mom and dad. My sister is married, who stays 5-7 minutes away. तो हम लोग every morning delegate करते हैं काम एक दूसरे को. मम्मी आप ये करना, पापा ये करना, और मैं ये करूंगी. So we kind of divide the work and then do it. And यार काम करते करते 3:30 तो बज ही जाते हैं. ऐसे 3, 3:30, 4 तो बज ही जाते हैं.
True.
और कोई खाने का टाइम नहीं है. There is no time to breakfast. There is no time to lunch. Because all you have to do is cook, wash.
I know.
बर्तन आते हैं, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता.
खाना बनाओगे तो बर्तन तो आएंगे, that's always there. But ये बताओ, ऐसा कोई काम है that you really like, और ऐसा कोई काम जो आपको बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं, and you ask your mom or your dad to do it?
जो काम मुझे बहुत पसंद है वो है सोना, और
Good one.
बहुत पसंद है, और नेटफ्लिक्स देखना. अभी फिलहाल आई एम hooked on to Gossip Girl, so I'm busy doing that and just tuck myself in bed and keep eating chips and just enjoy. ये मेरा favorite काम है. But of course, I'm a Virgo, so if I get something on, like something is a duty, तो मुझे करना ही है, and I'm totally dedicated. So that's me.
Okay, so have you done like jhadu, pocha, throughout this lockdown period?
Of course.
It's like a cakewalk.
जो मेरा घर स्पिक एंड स्पैन है वो इसीलिए क्योंकि पोछा मैं लगा रही हूँ, एंड बर्तन भी साथ साथ करते रहते हैं, सो दैट इफ वी डोंट पाइल अप, एंड वी आर ऑल क्लीनलीनेस फ्रीक एट होम, माय मम, माय फादर, मी. तो हम लोग कंटिन्यूअसली साथ साथ क्लीनिंग करते ही रहते हैं. सो वी आर वे क्रेजी पीपल. ऐसा कुछ नहीं तो मैंने नहीं किया है.
Okay, that's
Sorry?
great. But I think karna chahiye. I said cleanliness is at its peak, which is good,
Yeah.
And this time lockdown period is giving you a lot of time to spend with your parents. तो आपने कुछ उनको specially बना के खिलाया है? किचन में कुछ delicacies cook up की हैं?
Yes, yesterday was a Saturday party. Chaat party तो हम लोगों ने पूरी खाई, जो मैंने ही बनाई थी. And
wow.
We keep trying different things. So a while back we enjoyed some paneer chili and fried rice because I was craving some Chinese. So yeah, and tonight I am going to be having something which is very 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 dear to me. It is a dish from Delhi. If the Punjabi people would know, it's called Ram Laddu. तो वो आज मेरी मम्मा ट्राई करने वाले हैं. So that's what you're
Oh, nice. Lucky you, I mean, staying with family and, being treated with so many delicacies. So lucky you.
But along with that, I will have to help. ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे पास ऐसे platter में आ रहा है. So yeah.
Great. So a lot of people, a lot of fans of yours, before I even start, the moment I started this video, a lot of people started, asking, where is Surbi? And also, I mean, pouring love, a lot of smileys, a lot of hearts coming your way, Surbi.
Nice. Hi guys, hello. It is so nice to come back live again. I have actually not been doing too much lives because मुझे ऐसा लगता है यार मेरे घर पे इतना बड़ा live चल रहा है कि मैं समझ ही नहीं पा रही हूँ कि where to start from. The days they just fly, and then I also work out in the evening. I've made it mandatory in my schedule that I work out, I sweat it out. So that's keeping me busy. So time मिल ही नहीं पाता. But yes, hi guys. So nice y'all could join me. And yes,
some of them are saying that they can't see you clearly. So okay, I think now she's back. It's not very very clear at times. So I think you're connected to Wi-Fi, right?
No, I am on my mobile network.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I think probably. Yeah, now it's a little better. Now it's much better. Yeah, much better. Okay. So tell us about your fitness. You said that you do fitness in the evening. So कैसी exercises करते हो आप? What do you do to keep yourself fit?
So जैसे ही संजीवनी खत्म हुआ, I had totally made up my mind कि मुझे I have to go back to Pilates because that's the form I really enjoy doing. It's my newfound love actually.
Okay.
And Zumba, people know I am very fond of Zumba too. And unfortunately, both the things couldn't happen. But I have a very dear friend who's a trainer. So she does these Zoom classes, and we all are like a group. So every day is dedicated to someday maybe high intensity, someday upper body, someday lower body. So I am kind of keeping fit. Of course, ghar ka kaam to is making me keep it's keeping me on toes. But this also is I quite enjoy. I think it's also the frustration that comes out while I'm working out.
True. And I think it's important, during this time when you can't even step out of your house. So probably, such things really, keeps the momentum going, right?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Okay. So, before I take all the questions, we take questions from you guys. I would like to ask Surbi about, your first show. I mean, it was definitely a quite a hit, right? So when you started with Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, how did it happen? 2009 में हुआ था वो. That's when you debuted. तो कैसे था? How did you come across this project?
Listen, I was doing my graduation back then, and I believe in destiny, and certain things that are written in your life, they're supposed to come your way. And I still have no answer to that. I don't know how it happened, because I was a management student. There was no chance I would get into this field. Yes, I had a very dear friend, auntie, who insisted, and she told my mom that, what else will be to try in this industry. But mom and the family that I belong to, हम लोग हमेशा से ही, we've been very like they've been very persistent कि अपनी पढ़ाई नहीं छोड़ो. You have to finish your education and then do whatever you want to do, whatever you want to take up. And there was no chance I would do this, but I don't know, I happened to just maybe test for it. Through that auntie ही कुछ मैंने अपने कोई portfolio कराया था और कहीं से कोई connection निकला. And next I see is I'm on the Tarak Mehta set where I don't know acting ka A. And I think those are lovely memories. And देख के ऐसे ही सीखता है इंसान, ऐसे सेट पे रह के ही सीखता है. एंड मैंने वहां पे इतना ऑब्जर्व किया, I mean सबको, that I think that's when the journey started. I was always supposed to come back to doing this, because उसके बाद मैंने पढ़ाई खत्म की, फिर MBA किया, I did a job, and then see, full circle, and I'm back doing this. I don't know, certain things that are meant to happen are meant to
destiny happen. So you give it to destiny. Destiny made you come here. Absolutely,
yes,
right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Then Kabul had happened, and you played a deaf woman's character. So that was very challenging, right? I mean, from what you did in Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, which is again a comedy, to coming to this. So quite a shift. How challenging was that role?
You know what's funny? So I finished Tarak Mehta was when I was doing my management studies. Then I finished my MBA. I did my job. काम वाम खत्म करने के बाद, I decided that okay, chalo. I think acting is meant to happen. It'll happen. So I was offered one show, but then eventually it didn't happen. And Z got me to do Kabul Hai with Gul Khan. And आपका पहला ही शो एज अ पैरेलल लीड, जहाँ पे आपको एक डेफ एंड म्यूट, व्हिच यू डिडंट मेंशन.
Deaf, I said just deaf. Yeah, so deaf and mute. Yeah.
Yes, and you're supposed to do that and pull off a character like that. And I said, what? I don't know how I'm going to do this. It also happened so that my director Lalit Mohan is a sweetheart, and I have always been under his schooling. मैं उनके साथ maximum shows किए अपने, इश्बाज भी उनके साथ किए. So I think it was also a team effort who makes it happen, and it was a tough character to play. And your first character in the industry, and that's the most toughest. I think I just pulled it off, and I still, still people recognize that kind of work, and I would go to the malls, and people would really think that मैं सच्ची में बोल नहीं सकती, सुन नहीं सकती. So it was a hit. Yes, it was.
Yes, certainly. That's the level that you give into that character. So tell us about in Sanjeevani, to essay the role of Dr. Ishani Arora. How is it, I mean, considering that now the medical times, we are going through a lot of, such issue. आपने एक Instagram में video भी post किया था where you're stepping out, wearing a mask. So you'd mentioned that, you actually put a mask during Sanjeevani and give your, audio as well, right? Recording.
Yeah.
That is different to this, real situation. So how is it?
I was actually talking to a dear friend today, and he happened to step out of the house wearing a mask just to pick up something, and he came back and he said, listen, I'm feeling so suffocated, I don't know how you guys act in it. And I said, forget acting, we can still get it off. Think of the people, think of our health workers, think of our doctors, think of everybody who's on the front line, who's dealing with this. मतलब उनकी suffocation level आप सोच नहीं सकते. So that's the reason, hats off to them. And I mean, it is also it goes back to, when I see this kind of condition, goes back to me thinking about the days set on Sanjeevani. We have also shot in these operation theater rooms, and but वो सारी acting होती है यार. वो तो चलो you can do it, but
Yeah,
I mean, hats off to these people. Hats off to this
certainly. Whatever they do, they are doing. Hats
hospital.
off
Yeah.
to all the yes, to all of
Yes.
them, and we just hope all of them stay safe and stay healthy. Right, Surbi.
Yeah.
I was just about to say, right, Ishani.
I'd love for you to call me Ishani. That is
Yeah.
a very, very dear character. It's a character that is so dear to me because it is not what I've done in the past. It was again, it was a character that was like an onion. मतलब वो एकदम एक प्याज था, एक लेयर निकलता है तो दूसरा निकलता है, तीसरा निकलता है, चौथा. So I think I think I was pretty lucky to be playing that.
Okay, and not to forget Ishqbaz. That actually was one of the hits that you've given, and your and Nakul Mehta's story was well appreciated. So tell us about that, the character, how easy, difficult it was to get into that character, and also about your co-star Nakul Mehta.
Ishbaz was actually the out and out first TV show where I was the lead. Because after Kabul Hai Gul said that, listen, I have a project for you. And I still remember waiting a year for that show to actually start to shoot. So एक साल हम लोग की बहुत wait रही है, and I think I have got the fruits of it. वो जो show ने हमें दिया है, I'm never going to deny. And it was a fun character to play. Anika was everything. Like, she would have these disguises, she would have fun, she was blunt, she was this strong woman who fought, and it was fun to play. She was funny, and she would also have her moments where she would just break down. So it and also had her flaws. I think मैं जब कोई भी show देखती हूँ ना, I always connect to characters that have their flaws. ये perfection नाम की चीज ही नहीं होती है. And that's exactly what I realized when I was playing Anika. And even Ishani, both the characters have always had their flaws. They've never been perfect, and that's when we as people relate to such characters. So it was a fun ride. I made some crazy friends, and it was 2 years, some 7-8 months of filming that show. बहुत खूबसूरत memories हैं यार. It was one of my favorite times.
If I ask you, Anika Trivedi in Ishqbaz or Dr. Ishani in Sanjeevani, who is more closer to you?
Yes,
difficult.
I will pretend जैसे मैंने सवाल ही नहीं सुना.
Too difficult, huh? Okay, fine. So probably, I think these are two iconic characters that you've played, and we love you in both. You've essayed it really to perfection. Okay, so also about movies, you also debuted in a movie which was called as Bobby Jasus.
Bobby Jasus.
Yeah. So Bollywood की journey वहाँ से शुरू हुई. So हम आगे expect कर सकते हैं आपको in Bollywood, or you want to be the television queen that you are?
Listen, I was first very reluctant because I thought that TV was something that I just love. But then eventually, when you start growing and evolving, maybe as an actor, as an individual, as a human, also as a professional, you realize that never say never. First, second thing is, मुझे नहीं पता what is going to come my way, and I'm always happy to accept that comes my way. Like I said, I believe in destiny, and if it has to happen, it'll happen, and I'm going to do it. So, but yes, I am very hardworking. I'm not going to take that away from myself. So in whatever I do, I'm going to put my everything.
Okay, and it shows, in your acting, it shows, how hardworking you are. But a lot of, people are already asking, why ignoring questions on Nakul Mehta. So guys, we're not ignoring it. So, coming back to Nakul, how was it, how was Nakul as a co-actor in Ishqbaz?
I think I have learned so much from him that I have amazing memories. we were considered to have this magical chemistry, which we didn't know. कि कहाँ से आया ये magic. And I am so happy that we never got into the intricacies, thinking कि ये magic कहाँ से होता था. Because the less you talk about it, the less, I mean, the more it shows. I mean, it is also when two good actors who know when one is going to react how. I think it kind of just the magic is created, and that's exactly what happened with me and SSO. I still call him that. Me and Nakul. And I think he also had given already a very successful show. तो आप एकदम न्यूबी हो और आप इतना सब कुछ सीखते हो. He's so dedicated and we've had a great time. We used to have our fun. बड़े मजे आए यार. I've had a great time.
Okay,
so
continuing.
Not ignoring any questions, guys.
Yes, guys, we're not. So I think okay, Narbi_Shivika_forever is asking, would you accept another show with SSO?
Listen, if something that we both like, why not? And maybe we'll find something newer. Because us show mein, I think we tried to almost juice everything that was possible. They were also beautifully written characters. Matlab, automatically you just start feeling the whole situation and those characters, their backstories, their present stories. I think if something like this, more stronger, something that we'd like to do, why not? I'd love to.
Okay. And how about Namit Khanna as an actor in Sanjeevani?
You know, when I happened to start shooting for Sanjeevani, and I would see Namit on set, it would remind me of me being so raw. Just when I started off Ishbaz, you know, I had no idea of. He still comes with knowledge. I had no idea of carry camera kahan, kaise, kidhar light, kuch nahi, koi knowledge nahi. So I think when I would see Namit on Sanjeevani set, I would feel this, and I would actually get this craving of actually feeling that rawness. मुझे खुद को मन करता था यार, why do I have that little bit of experience also? I want to go back to being raw, where I don't know anything. So, but he's pretty natural, very flamboyant when he's performing. He's chill, he's sweet, and he's good looking. I hope I am going to get to see him now often on television or whatever he plans to pick up next.
Okay, somebody is asking, Shanna_FC is asking, will you try a grey character?
I think I'll be good.
A grey character.
I have a very strong feeling I will be very good. But I don't know what, like I said, I don't know what's going to come my way. But if it happens to come and it's strong, it's something that I know that is going to challenge me, तो मैं बिल्कुल छोड़ूंगी नहीं. फिर तो मैं पकड़ के करूंगी इसको.
And I think, you know, all of us would love to see you in a grey shade as well on the screen. Would you like to pick up a few questions?
I think I have my producer, my director, my everything, Siddharth Malhotra, on this live, and he said something, but you did go back to reinventing yourself as Ishani, no doubt. You know, when a compliment like that comes from the person you have looked up to, you know, he's done Hitchki, he's done so many films and so many TV shows. I think when he gives that compliment, I'm the happiest. Thank you, City.
Well deserved. Also, a lot of people are asking about Karan Sharma. What do you have to say about him? Mridula.Suresh is asking.
He's a very dear friend, and we've been friends for close to 9-10 years now. And what else are they asking about it?
Okay, so that was about Karan Sharma. Moving on to about your Shairi. Okay, somebody's asking, loved your Shairi in Kabul Hai. Do you still do Shairi? आप करते हो शायरी?
No, I don't do shairi, and all the shairis were written by my amazing dialogue writers Divi and Aprajita, who
Uh-huh.
have also written my dialogues for Ishbaz. So
Okay.
yes, वो उनको credit जाता है, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया.
No, but you essayed the role and you give the lines so brilliantly. So credit जरूर जाता है आपको. So
Thanks.
Surbhi, tell us about one thing that you're missing the most during this lockdown, apart from obviously shooting. What is that?
Listen, I love eating out. All my
Mm-hmm.
friends know that, and everybody knows that I'm a huge foodie. And
Mm-hmm.
मेरी माँ तो मुझे बोलती है तू घर पे खाना कब खाती है? So I kind of miss going out, trying restaurants,
Mm-hmm.
different restaurants. I like exploring cuisines. If कोई नया restaurant खुलता है तो मुझे बड़ी excitement हो जाती है. And
Mm-hmm.
I think I miss that. I miss shooting, of course. I miss going to the parlor right now, which everybody does. I'm sure a salon is what is needed to a girl.
Absolutely agree.
And I think that's all.
So if I ask you, lockdown के बाद one food that you really want to have after this lockdown, क्या है वो?
In fact, today was missing this. See, I've been trying a lot of things that I usually go out and eat. But I like this restaurant called Pali Village Cafe. I really like the food there. So I think I would want to go to that restaurant and enjoy the food there.
Okay, and it can be anything. It's just the way they make it.
But the food from that restaurant is what I miss.
Okay, done. So I have few questions that our viewers already posted to ask you. So forever_Narbhi 828 was asking, please ask Surbhi, is it possible to collaborate with Nakul Mehta again in the future for projects?
Which I just mentioned. If we both get something that is interesting and we both agree to it, why not?
And so is one Shivika is asking, please ask her to do a live chat with Nakul, and already a lot of people have already said that. So we will try to bring both of them together also, on this chat, not on this chat, but probably in the future chat. So Surbhi and Nakul will definitely be there.
Sure.
So Surbhi, quickly, also tell us. We know that you're a fashionista at heart. You love your headbands, you love your makeup. So tell us, how would you describe, your personal style?
I am not a lot of people know, not very fond of makeup. It's a once in a while thing, but I'm one person who loves to experiment. I do not shy away. So even if I have to get like a wing liner or a colored liner or a glittery liner or something that is unique, I would never stop myself. I've seen a lot of people who are scared to experiment. I'm not one of those. I really have my experiments going. Even as Ishani, I did whatever possible I could to look something different. Hairbands, I think I've started to fall in love with them. I have a good collection of them. I think a lot of people like them, that I wear them. But today I opted not to wear. But yes,
I was expecting you. Surbhi, I thought you were going to wear one headband because I know how much you love them.
I think I'm going to post a picture, post this live with a headband.
Sure.
I will.
So one picture a day with headband.
Done. But yes, my personal style statement is one that I don't shy away from trying things, be it makeup, even clothes. I'm also quite aiming at making a certain body that I have in mind, and when I get into it, like I said, I'm a Virgo. अगर मेरे मन में आ गया मुझे करना है तो मुझे करना है. So I also am I'm free flowing. I can do whatever. Like I love shorts. I love my denim sometimes. I love my dresses sometimes. It also depends on my mood. Very honestly. So I'm a moody dresser. Just in case if I want to dress up, I will dress up and like all out. And if I don't want to, I'm very lazy. So yeah.
Okay.
The style statement is moody, is what I can say.
Okay, and what are the essentials that you carry in your bag, Surabhi, before you step out?
A must is a lip balm.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. If you see my bag, there will be just money and a lip balm probably, and my house keys.
That
I don't fancy a perfume. Like, in the sense, only when I'm shooting and going out is okay. But
mm-hmm.
like, oh, it's a necessity is not the thing. That is those are the two things that usually you will see, like money and maybe a lip balm. That's it.
Okay. Okay. So Surabhi, a lot of people are posting their questions, and we had promised them that you will give out shout out to at least 5 of them. So probably you can pick
Okay.
up a few questions.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I will have to browse through.
Yeah, you can browse through, or whatever you can see on your screen. If that interests you, that you can pick up.
Oh, there are so many questions. I think we're missing out. But then we don't have too much time, you guys.
Yes.
Okay, let me see.
Yes. So should I help you with a few questions?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay, let's pull out. You are my queen. A lot of love pouring your way. Surabhi, I can't hear you properly. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
You can hear me, right? Okay. Okay, so I'll pick up one question. Ask SC about Shivangi Joshi and Harshad Chopra.
Oh, both are lovely people. Shivangi is like a little baby for me. And she's doing so well for herself, and I'm extremely proud. And she knows that. And I just want her to grow because she's extremely talented. Harshad is so intelligent, and like, every time we speak over the phone or meet, we have like so much to talk about work and something. He's extremely dedicated. I think I would want to be somebody like him, who's so dedicated when he's on set. His passion about his work totally just when you speak to him, you get to know. Okay, he's so passionate, and that's exactly why I really adore him. He's a darling.
Okay. Okay, somebody's saying that she wants to steal your headbands. They are so beautiful.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
This also, I have to give my headband credits to my sister Pranavi. She gets me these amazing headbands. Yeah.
Oh, that reminds me. Tell me, how was the house party with your sister? We saw the video. A good
This
one.
was
Yeah?
amazing. Amazing. We poured thumbs up in our wine glasses so that we could just feel that we are high, and we had some music playing. We had some lays, and it was amazing. It was fun. It was a lot of fun.
Great. Okay, Ayaz is asking, do you know any Arabic words?
No. You could probably teach me one or two, guys.
Yes, you guys can teach her. Okay. Okay, so people are asking, how is your relationship with Ishaqba's cast now? Are you in touch with them? Do you talk to them during this lockdown? Have you spoken to them?
I have my two very, very close friends, Shrenu and Mansi, who are from the show, and we also have other cast members who played different characters. There's Reena, there's Neha Lakshmi, there's the one who played mother on the show, Janvi, Reenal. With the boys also, when I keep checking their pictures or stuff, we keep commenting. But yes, I think a reunion is due.
Surely. Okay, last two questions quickly. Surabhi will pick up. Prakriti is asking. Yeah. Okay, so last two questions. Prakriti is asking, web series on Netflix or a movie? What do you prefer watching?
Like, again, I'm going to pretend as if I didn't hear that question. Listen,
I am movie bhi chahiye, Netflix bhi chahiye, dono chahiye aapko.
I mean,
any web series?
मैं इतनी greedy हूँ कि मैं बता नहीं सकती. I'm very greedy, and I can think that.
Okay, Surbhi, I think your voice is, yeah, you're back now. I think in between just couldn't hear you.
Okay.
Yeah, Surbhi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I think my network is a little not good today, looks like.
Yeah, because it's a little hazy and yeah, couldn't hear you in between.
Okay.
So
Are we?
the last that I
Are we?
heard you was you saying you're very greedy when it comes to choices.
Yes, I'm greedy. Something that challenges me is the prerequisite. That's it.
Okay, okay, fine. So, okay, somebody's asking, Huda_Asfin is asking about if you know Jennifer Winget. What do you have to say about her?
Oh,
Have you worked
firstly,
with
I don't
her?
know. Listen, I don't know how I know how somebody can be so beautiful, and I am not going to deny that fact that she is so pretty looking. I have happened to bump into her at an award function at a party, and what a woman! I think she is beautiful. She is an excellent actor.
Mm-hmm.
Look up to
Okay, I think
everybody
we've
who works in
just
this industry.
okay. Yeah, so you're back. Okay, so I'm not going to take much time of yours more, Surbhi, but I just want a lot of people are also asking about your future projects. कहाँ पे हम आपको देख सकते हैं in the future?
I think I'm gonna take it slow before I realize what I really want to do next. And let's see. क्या होता है? I will keep everybody informed.
Sure, we'll wait for it. So now, before we wrap up, a lot of people have requested that you should sing a song for them. So, possible hai?
Okay, let me just sing maybe a line or two.
Sure, any song that you want to sing.
लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले से
Very nice, very nice. Such a velvety voice you have. What it was very, very soothing, to the ears. And I'm sure a lot of people, जिन्होंने request किया, so there you had Surbhi. You heard her, you saw her singing, so your request is, approved. So Surbhi, thanks a lot for joining in. जाते जाते, what is the message that you would like to give to all your fans out there during this lockdown period? क्या message देना चाहोगे आप?
Guys, listen, hang in there. Very, very important. I know that, I'm also kind of sometimes losing it. Don't do that. Just hang in there. Things are looking great. Just stay at home, stay with your family, and lots of love for joining in today. I think it's a beautiful feeling that we can connect like this. Thank you for doing this with me, and thank you for joining in.
Thanks a lot, Surbhi. It was great connecting with you.
Thank
And
you.
the song was very, very soothing. Loved hearing it. So you stay safe and stay healthy. Take care.
Thank you. Lots of love to you. Thank you for having me. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Pleasure.
Thank you. Thanks. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
So guys, that was Surbhi. You just watched her. So keep watching Nivanta to give yourself and keep yourself updated with your daily dose of celebrity and fashion. Okay, bye guys.